The Air Jordan 1 Low Black Denim is shaping up to be one of 2026's must-watch releases as Jordan Brand continues its denim-focused direction ahead of the upcoming Levi's X Air Jordan 3 collaboration. This pair blends smooth black leather with washed black denim overlays, creating a bold contrast that gives the classic silhouette a fresh and textured look. Pops of racer pink on the trim, lace details, and Jumpman logos add sharp energy without taking away from the muted base, while an off-white swoosh and pale ivory midsole deliver a clean, vintage finish. Extra racer pink laces let you amplify the contrast even more. With denim styles becoming a rising trend across the Jumpman lineup, this release fits perfectly into Jordan Brand's evolving aesthetic. Although there's no official launch date yet, sneaker fans can expect more information to drop in early 2026. Stay tuned. This black denim AJ1 Low is already building serious hype for collectors and fashion-driven sneakerheads.